There has not been much sunshine in recent times for the Sunshine Girls. Basically getting clobbered down under by world number one Australia. And we know the Jamaicans are missing some key and experienced players. But again though, they have not just been beaten, they've been embarrassed by what appears to be a full-strength Australian team. And while it remains important for younger players to get experience and exposure, but for future assignments against elite level teams like Australia, Netball Jamaica needs to ponder the net benefits in accepting these assignments when missing so many key players. Not only could these lopsided results be potentially damaging to the Sunshine Girls brand, but it might also be damaging to the confidence of the younger players. The Maverick is just thinking, not drinking, just thinking on these things.